Hello everyone, this is Nathan again. This is my 5th and last video, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to use this new site web that is called Educaplay. I just find this site web right away 5 minutes ago. I didn't know how to use it, but now that I kind of uh, look at it very quickly, I really could find uh, a some similar things that it has between some sidewalks that I already showed you, but it's kind of different because this has many options to offer to the teachers to implement it in lessons. So right away I'm gonna be starting here. You first, I'm gonna pass my camera right here. Right away, you have to access that with your account. You can access with your Google account, and right away, you can create your activities, new activities. So, for example, if I go right here, I can create dialogues, dictations, map quiz, slideshows, video quizzes like Flipgrid that I showed you before, riddle, matching game, fill in the blanks game. It's kind of similar of the Warwall, but this one is more like technique. It's like more homemade, let's say in one way. Um, but the ones that interest me uh, is this one that is the froggy jumps because I haven't seen this kind of practice in any of the uh, on any of the sites that I already showed you. I show you live worksheets that provides to the teacher sheets of multiple topics. I show you workbook that is kind of similar but with different activities. Kahoot that you can create like an activity to do it online with your students. Flipgrid that is one kind of site where you can create your or you can let your students create their own expositions through that site web. But in this case, educational is kind of similar to Wordwall, so you can create the activities, and right away you can do it along your students, or you can make them to do it by themselves. Now, if you're a teacher and you're in a hurry of making, I don't know, five five of this, let's say, oh, I got one question. Let's see. So, for example, now I got one question and three answers. Now, what do I have to do as a teacher? Well, I can write whatever question I want, depending on the topic that I'm watching with one student. For example, I don't know. Is the Llorona legend, or is the legend La Llorona, the Weeping Woman, original? Is the legend the Weeping Woman from Mexico? Because I have to tell my students, I have to teach them um, about the origins of every legend that we see in our culture, in our daily life, as a citizens, as a society. Because let's remember that legends provides kind of a moral like it teaches like a moral thing in every single legend that provides us. So in the answer, like, what could I write? I don't know. Yes or no, or maybe or no. It's from Costa Rica. I don't know. Let's remember that the Whipper Woman is a legend. Um, it's a legend where it is original from Mexico, and depending of the country, it changes a little bit of the context. Now I already make that question. Now I have to publish it. Uh, I have to title here the legends, like legends right away. Description: Weeping Woman. That's how you can create very fast an activity that if you're hungry of an uh, of an activity in class, you can do it right away. I'm gonna switch my camera right here. I can decide I can choose the grade of my classroom. Subject English. It will be English, segunda lengua, and that's it. After I go here, oh, task. I don't know English. I think there is one more thing. Okay, so right here it shows me that I have to do 25 questions with 25 with 25 points. It means that I have to do 25 questions, and after I make the questions, it will appear this frog, as you can see here. And after you create your questions, it the activity will be like this one. Let's wait to now. If you start right away, that's how you can use it in your in your lessons. Which of these statements about the animal world is a lie? There is a bird that impales its prey to eat them later. Some fish hatch their eggs in their mouth. Dog sense tastes. Oh, I didn't answer them, so it loses the question. Which is the model vertebrae in the world? I think is, and that's it. That's the activity. You can make your lessons active, dynamic, where your students will be um, choosing their own answers. As you can see, I'm failing everyone, and whenever I get one question right, the frog will stay in in the in the leaf. Uh, as you can see, that's it of from this Educaplay. As you can see, it is not only this kind of activity that you are able to 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 use. You can use crossword puzzles, word search, memory game, quiz. Even you can do. I think you can do your own exams. I don't know where is it, but I think that I fill in the blanks, matching columns. That I think is this one. You can make your own quizzes with this. If you can play as the same of forms as Google Forms, you can create um, your exams using this kind of cycles. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.